this rusted blade, and this $1,200 titanium bar. Same metal, just 72 hours apart. Every year, 800 aircraft retire, carrying $2 billion in recoverable titanium.
All right, hold it right there. Bumper contact, you are good to go. Make sure that shackle is seated properly. It's good. All right, we are clear underneath. The scan went through, but the casing shows minor wear here.
Noted. I'll add that to the report.
Every engine is logged, photographed, and assigned a unique ID.
All right, move to the next section. Copy that, moving now.
A turbofan has over 25,000 parts, each one removed and sorted. These blades are the prize. One blade, 40 pounds of pure titanium. Every part is tagged and sorted by metal. One mix, and the value is gone. Rotor discs hold even more titanium, up to 200 pounds each. Even coin-sized titanium is recovered. At $18 a pound, nothing is wasted.
Looks good. Ensure the nickel tags are updated in the system.
380 pounds of titanium recovered. This is where profit is made or lost. Every piece is analyzed. At peak, 2,000 pounds per hour. Accuracy requirement, 99.97%.
Watch the alignment on row 3.
15,000 to 30,000 pounds per charge. One batch, one ingot.
Okay, lower it slowly. Got it. Looks aligned on the left side.
Scrap becomes a consumable electrode, built to melt once.
All right, bring it up slow, nice and steady. Clear on this side, keep coming up.
The crucible must be flawless. One defect, and it shows in the ingot. Every reactive gas removed. In near vacuum, titanium melts clean. From the bottom up, layer by layer, titanium solidifies in vacuum. First melt complete, but aerospace-grade titanium needs 3.
Clear the extraction path.
Confirmed. Moving to cooling station.
Third melt, final refinement. This is what aerospace certification requires.
Looks good, centering confirmed. Go ahead and secure.
The oxide layer is removed, revealing clean aerospace-grade titanium. This sample decides everything. Fail, and 28,000 pounds go back to the furnace. Chemical composition. Within specification, this ingot is certified aerospace grade.
Bring it down easy to the cradle.
Alignment confirmed. Locking mechanisms engaged. Clear for transport.
Watch the left side. Clear. Set it down.
10 to 15% per pass. The metal compresses, stretches, transforms. Between passes, the bar reheats. Consistent heat prevents cracks and refines the grain.
Surface inspection confirms integrity. No defects visible on the current pass. Proceed to the next stage.
Standard bar length, 10 feet. Each bar is cut, measured, and tagged individually. Mill scale must be removed chemically. Mechanical grinding would alter surface properties. Too short, scale remains. Too long, surface pitting. Timing is critical. The finished surface, reactive titanium, bright silver, ready for final inspection. Detected. Internal void, 0.6 millimeters. Bar rejected. Remelt required. Every tag tells the full story: origin, composition, certification.
Affirmative, bundle secured for Zone B.
Copy that. Moving to Pratt & Whitney staging.
Shipped worldwide to aerospace giants for critical components. From scrap to high-value aerospace titanium. Precision industrial recycling. Surgical implants, medical instruments, titanium for the most demanding applications. Every parameter monitored in real time, every deviation logged, every decision data supported. The most valuable metal in industrial recycling, recovered, refined, certified, and returned to the sky. If you enjoyed this transformation journey, like, share, and subscribe for more industrial processes.